When it comes to gardening tools, I mean, as gardeners, what will we do without them? Shovels, hoes, pitchforks, rakes, pruning shears. But when it comes to indoor gardening tools, yeah, I think we could use a little help here. So today I'm going to show you my all-time favorite indoor gardening tool. And it's one you can make in just 5 minutes. I came across this idea some 35 years ago, and I've been making them ever since. And what's really cool, it makes for a great gift for your favorite gardener. And stick around to the end because in addition to showing you how to make this tool, I'm going to show you different ways you can use it. And here's where I'm going to reach out to you because I'd love it if once you see how to make this tool and you make one for yourself or your friends, then let me know different ways that you come up with to use it as well. And post it in the comments below because then we'll all benefit. And be sure to check out my helpful houseplant tips. The link is in the description below. Hi, I'm Marion Owen, the gardener's coach, helping you create your dream garden indoors or out using super easy organic gardening techniques. So let's dive in. So I hope you found this video helpful, if anything, mildly amusing. And if so, give me a thumbs up. It really helps. Meanwhile, happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!